Nicole Kidman has stripped off for a revealing new magazine cover, the 54-year-old Oscar winner showing off her rock-hard abs for Vanity Fair's 2022 Hollywood issue. But the results have proven divisive online, with some calling out Vanity Fair for what they allege is excessive photoshopping of the stunning star. Kidman, who is this year nominated for a Best Actress Oscar for her role as Lucille Ball in Being the Ricardos, told Vanity Fair that all these years into her career, she doesn't think of herself as a movie star. But it's the shoot accompanying the interview that's garnering the most attention today, with debate raging over that striking cover shot of Kidman dressed in a denim bikini top and miniskirt. Many have called out what they claim is really bad Photoshop by Vanity Fair, not just of Kidman but of other stars including Penelope Cruz featured in the issue. Others questioned the styling of the shoot, with one asking why the star had been styled like a teenager in Euphoria. Kidman is nominated for the 5th time at this year's Oscars, which will take place in LA on Monday, March 28 and will air locally on Channel 7. The Hawaii-born actress has been based in Australia in recent months, primarily to take care of her 81-year-old mother and have her surrounded by her grandchildren, she revealed in a recent interview.
Thanks for watching Body+Soul TV. Click the subscribe button to make sure you never miss a video.